Guys, so today's video I am thrilled to do, literally. It is going to be a haul video. Now, I have to say first and foremost, if you hear panting excessively, one of my sons, King, has his friend over. Leia, you may have seen her just walk by, and they are having too much fun. So I hope you can deal with that. But this is going to be an Ulta and Sephora haul. Not too huge, but I have some things that I'm dying to open, dying to try, that I will be trying as soon as I get this haul video up. First, let's just get into it. First is something that finally came in the mail today. This was like the last little thing that was waiting to be delivered, and it's a pair of lashes. This is from Ulta. This is Ardell's brand Texture Eyes. This is in 578. That's the style. And I have to say, I did order all of this stuff online. Probably that's obvious, but it can be really hard to order lashes online. And although these are very pretty, I'm not sure how these are gonna be. I mean, I love that the band is clear. That's one thing with a lot of Ardell lashes, a lot of lashes in general, but a lot of Ardell lashes have like that clear, very flexible band, and I love that. It makes wearing false lashes, especially a full strip lash, pretty comfortable. So I like that. These look like they could be a little long. I don't know. I have some thoughts. I was a little disappointed when I saw them because I was like, oh, they kind of look long. They don't look as pretty as they did online. But truly, you have to just try them on. So we will see. I will keep you guys updated. The next thing from Ulta is something my friend Tanya recommended to me that I'm excited to try this as well. This is the face halo, the original one. I think they have different like shapes or something now. I'm not really sure because I've never tried this product. I have tried a knockoff version of the makeup eraser. I got these little like makeup towels from Amazon, and I've been using those to remove my makeup, and I do like them. However, my friend said that the face halo, the actual face halo from Ulta, is the best thing in the world. So let's open this up. This is something that you're supposed to, like the makeup eraser, you're supposed to be able to just use water and then remove your makeup with it. I will say I like to use an oil cleanser first and then use a towel or a washcloth or a makeup eraser or something. Oh, I didn't know it was double-sided, to like use it to wipe off the makeup residue from using that oil. So that's like doubling up on makeup removal. And then I use a cleanser on top of that to actually clean my skin. So I kind of am extra when it comes to my skincare routine, start to finish. So we're gonna see. I do wish this was a little bit bigger. So my first impression is this is a little small. It's not like tiny, but you know, I wish it was a little bit bigger. And also, I'm wondering, like, this isn't as flexible as like a towel or like a rag or something. So I'm wondering, I don't know, obviously going to give you guys updates on all of these things, but we will see. And I believe this was $10. Not super cheap, but it is something that you throw in the wash and reuse. So I definitely don't mind spending that if it does work phenomenally. Like I said, I'll keep you updated. I also have a couple of hair products from Kristen S. This is a brand that I knew was at Target, but I've never tried absolutely anything that they have. And then I saw that they also sell it at Ulta. So since I was placing an order, I went ahead and picked these up. Who did I hear about these from? I think I may have heard about these from Makeup by Cheryl. I'll link her channel down below, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, I got the first product, which is the Style Assist Blow Dry Mist. So I think it was Cheryl who was talking about how this reminded her a lot of the Kenra Blow Dry Spray, which is one of my favorite products. I am running out of the current spray that I'm using for heat protectant, and I thought I might as well pick this one up once I'm finished anyways. So it's ultra lightweight, split end smoothing, shine enhancing, cuts drying time, and heat protects up to 450 degrees. So if you're familiar with a lot of blow dry sprays these days, but especially the Kenra one, it actually does cut down your drying time. Don't ask me how. Oh, I just actually realized too that you can use this on dry hair for thermal styling too. So that's really nice. But hi, sweetie. Okay. Hi, honey. This is Leia. This is King's friend. All right, sweetie, get down, honey. All right. Anyways, this seems like it's going to be good just based off of what Cheryl said and then just seeing the packaging and reading what it has to say. So, of course, we'll let you know. The other thing from Kristen S is this. This I'm probably a little bit more excited about. This is a scalp purifying micellar shampoo. Love the bottle on this, by the way. It has like a little nozzle like this that would be great to actually get like on your actual scalp. When I wash my hair, I always use like a clarifying shampoo or like a detox shampoo or something first. And then I go in with my regular shampoo and scrub again. And then I go in with conditioner and, you know, just couldn't be high maintenance enough. So this I am going to try in place of a clarifying or detoxifying shampoo. This says it's deep cleansing, shine boosting, scalp hydrating, removes buildup, and strand fortifying. So this is really interesting to me. It says create partings with the pointed tip and apply the shampoo directly to the scalp. Massage, it will create a rich lather and then add just a little bit of water, work it through the middle and ends and rinse out. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this in place. So far I'm like really excited about both of these products. I am always a little weary about not salon grade products, and I don't think Kristen S is. I think it's more of a drugstore brand. So of course we're just gonna have to see, but I'm totally open to trying it and maybe it'll be great. Okay, the next thing I got from Ulta, the other couple things from Ulta are makeup. This is from NYX. This is the brow glue. It's non-sticky finish and it has a little before and after picture here that it creates pretty fluffy brows. And then you can see the wand on this side. It's like a teeny tiny wand. So I've just heard good things about this from a few people. This is in just a translucent shade. I definitely did not need a new brow gel, but if this works awesome, then I'll be so excited to tell you guys about it. Brow gel is one of those things that I have recently bought, like a higher end one, and I don't really want to spend money on that if I don't feel like it's worth it. So we will see how this one goes. Okay, next will be a dedicated video on this product. Are you guys ready? Like literally maybe tomorrow, we're gonna see, because I really wanna get that up. Maybe it's up already because I wanted to get it up so fast. Anyways, this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Longwear Makeup with SPF of 19. I am die hard, and I do mean die hard, for the Estee Lauder Double Wear Original Foundation. I have not ever found another foundation that lasts longer, has better coverage, looks smoother, non-cakey, but perfecting on my skin. Absolutely never. So when I saw that Double Wear had something else in its line, another complexion product, I had to buy it to try it out. Now this is interesting that it has the Double Wear name attached to it, because I'm assuming with the name sheer in it, or the word sheer in it, it's not gonna be anything like a full coverage foundation. Yeah, this is gonna be like a skin tint. Let's just see. I want to say, oh my God, super watery, just wasted 16 ounces of it. Okay, so I did use kind of a, okay. It is setting down. It is setting down. It's not just like, I was worried when it's watery like that it's just going to kind of blend into my skin like a moisturizer and then it's going to be gone. I definitely still see the pigment there. And it does have some coverage. Okay, this actually did set down and it feels kind of like a soft matte finish. That feels actually really nice. Like it, I mean, you can still see my veins and stuff. It is not like, whoa, tons of coverage, but maybe this is gonna be a put on with your hands type of complexion product that I could wear like on the weekends or when I just am having a quick like errand day. I don't know. I would love to be that type of person. We'll see if this product gets me there. Super excited about that if you cannot tell. Then I cannot believe I have not swatched this yet. Literally, how have I had the self-control? I do not know. This product is from Nabla. This has been out for a while. This is a Skin Glazing Glass Skin Finish Glow Powder. It's a highlight from Nabla. I've tried nothing from Nabla. Wait, have I tried a palette? I don't remember if that was from Nabla or not. But this is, I've never tried any of their face products for sure. This is in the shade Ozone, and I heard about this from my favorite YouTuber, which is Babs Beauty. She has just always mentioned this as one of her favorite formulas, and it wasn't super cheap. Even though I don't think Nabla is like a high-end brand, this I think was like $24. So it wasn't the cheapest, but it wasn't $40 either. But this packaging, oh my God. Like acrylic pink and rose gold. What is happening? So stunning. Seriously, so stunning. Like I could not and cannot get over this packaging. Even though it's pretty simple, like it's pink acrylic, I'm in love with this. And then here is the actual powder. It's really textured. It says Nabla in there. Okay, we're gonna try this. Okay. Seems like a nice champagne color. I'm gonna put it on top of that foundation. Hey. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna put some of this on. This looks like not what I was expecting. I was kind of expecting a like boom, like stripe highlight, really aggressive. For some reason I was expecting this to be like a really intense, like in your face, shine, shine, shine highlight. And maybe it is once you apply it, but that swatch kind of sheared out and like blended in with my skin. Let's see here. Okay. Hello, everyone. Oh my God. Wow. That is literally just as good as Stephanie said it would be. Wow, but it like blends in with your skin. Like it does not look like powder sitting on top of your skin. Okay. I am so happy I bought this. I'm so impressed with that. All right, now we're moving on to the Sephora products. I just have a couple here, but one of them is a hair product. I just got the mini, had to buy this the second I saw it, at least in the mini form to try it. My favorite ever dry shampoo, I have a ton of it in my hair right now, is from Living Proof. It's their Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I'm telling you, I buy the big bottle of it, like the jumbo size, and I will always buy it. It is the best dry shampoo ever. However, they came out with this. It is the Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. This says it actually cleans hair, which the other bottle of the regular one does as well. But this also says it softens, plus softness and shine. So it softens your hair, adds shine to your hair, and actually cleans your hair. So it is, I don't know if this is gonna replace the other one or if this is like an amped up version of it. This is gonna be one of those just have to try it and see if I notice any difference. I have to admit, I'm not expecting to really see that much of a difference because I already love the other one so much. Like how could another product, like an amped up version, be better? Like, I don't know, unless it really added shine to my hair, because that is one thing about dry shampoo. I don't care that much, but dry shampoo will give like a matte look to your hair. It really will take away the shine because it's supposed to take away like the oily look. So if this ends up adding like a healthy shine to your hair to where it really looks clean, feels clean, and smells clean, and looks clean, I mean, this could be like an award-winning product in my book. So can't wait to try that one out. Next are actually a couple, I want to talk about a couple minis first, and then I'll talk about the other two products I got. These are so cute. I'm definitely gonna have to try this in a video. This is a little baby mini version of the Lancome Tinty Ultra Wear Broad Spectrum 15. This is the foundation, I guess. Isn't this just the regular foundation? Yeah, Tinty Ultra Wear, I think so. I got just like this little mini version. I got the shade 420 Bisque Neutral, we'll see. But I've tried the full-size foundation before, and I remember being like, it's okay. However, everyone loves that foundation, so I want to try it again, you know what I mean? But the real thing that I am so excited to try. Guys, I almost bought the full size of this, and then I saw that they had this little like combo set that you could get as a perk, and I was like, yup. So, okay, you already know what I'm gonna say, but this is the Lancome Tinty Ultra Wear Concealer. I have been wanting to try this. I cannot believe Sephora is offering this as like, oh my God, as like a little teeny mini. Why do I need to smell it? I don't know how I got so lucky that I'm gonna be able to try it in a mini form before buying like the full size. So I've heard so many good things though about this concealer that I'm absolutely dying to try it. That's gonna have to happen immediately. And then the other two products that I actually bought, this I'm so excited about. This was like, I pretty much have to have this. This is from Tower 28. This is one of their cream blushes. It's the Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. You know, their balm for blush and lips, but it's in the shade Power. Oh my God, yes. This is in the shade Power Hour. This is like a nudie, orangey, terracotta-y. Oh, I want this on right freaking now. I have a couple other cream blushes. One is this one from Tower 28. This is in the shade Happy Hour though. I have a couple cream blushes that I have been loving to use, but the way I've been using them on a daily basis, sometimes I use them more than just this way, but on a daily basis, what I've really been liking to do is to do my powder blush, whatever color I want as normal, and then I add a little bit of cream blush on top because it amps up the color. It softens any powder look that you might have on your skin. It adds a very, very natural lip from within glow, healthy glow to your skin. Like, it brings life back to your face. I cannot tell you enough how much I love that technique. But I needed one that was more an everyday color. So I wanted this shade. I'm dying to try this right now. I'm telling you, you need like very little just to punch up the powder blush that you wear. And yeah, that's gonna be great. That is going to be absolute staple for me. Like, I would not be surprised, you guys, I can already tell you, if I make this an empty. Because this color, oh my God. And this formula being able to go over powder, it doesn't get any better than this. I am so effing happy that I got this. You don't even know. Also, the Tower 28 products are not outrageous. Like, I don't remember how much this was. Maybe like 24 or something like that. But it's not like 40 bucks, you guys, 45 bucks. Like, no, it's pretty reasonable in my opinion. Actually, that was the last product I bought. The only other thing is I got a couple samples of perfume. Flower Bomb, which has been out for a million years, and then Replica, their Beach Walk little perfume. I really like this one. Even though neither of these really last on me that long, if they're gonna offer me samples and there's a perfume I like on there, I'm definitely gonna take the opportunity. So I think that is it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I would love for you guys to watch my future videos. I do really appreciate the support. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.